Why is my mom calling me? I'm playing Beyond the Nature. Yo.
You hear from Alex?
Yeah. I'm good to go in, and I don't need to wear a mask.
What time are you supposed to go in?
Normal time? 4?
Because Iron Oven is closing after the Eagles game.
Yeah, he said to come in anyways.
And you don't need to wear a mask?
No.
Okay. Alright. As long as we are giving full disclosure.
Uh-huh.
I saw the posting that Iron Oven was closing.
Yeah.
Well, what time do you go in?
4. I told you that.
The Eagles game will be over by then.
We're probably doing... There's probably other stuff to get done. I don't know, like deep cleaning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, maybe just double check.
I know, yeah. Okay, I will.
Yeah, let me look when the post is made.
Okay, no, yeah. He mentioned that to me, and he just said to come in anyways, so...
Oh, okay, so maybe
Yeah.
you're doing some cleaning.
Yeah, that's what I just told you, yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm agreeing with you then.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, due to short staff and to give our staff a break, we're closing tonight after the Eagles game.
Yeah.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
Alright then, yeah, it's the right thing to do to disclose and...
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sweetie.
Okay, bye.
We're
Oh.
ordered some meatball parm sandwiches.
Alright, cool.
They'll be here soon.
Got it.
Alright.
Alright,
Bye.
bye. Yes! Yes, dude! Oh man, I don't have to. I hope I don't have to edit the video, cause no, I don't even care. Oh my god, a large majority of these were testing for bugs. I died once past all of the bugs. I got 84 and 85, or 84 twice, and then I got 85. Those were bugs. This level, it could be cool if like it was playable, but it's not playable because of all the bugs. Whatever. I'm first person to beat the unholy trilogy of Castling, Doomblade, and Beyond the Nature. Oh my god. I don't want to have to think about this ever again. And Prank now has to beat Theory of Visible V3. Get shit on. Oh my god, I don't have to play this anymore, thank god.